What is high BP? High BP increases the pressure on the heart arteries. Blood requires more pressure to be supplied to rest of the body. This is called high blood pressure. Uncontrolled high blood pressure can lead to complications including heart attack, stroke, heart failure, dementia, kidney failure, sexual dysfunction, and many others. Patients who suffer from extremely high blood pressure, the symptoms to watch out for would include severe headaches, chest pains, difficulty while breathing, irregular heartbeat, fatigue, memory loss, and confusion. High blood pressure can last for years without symptoms. Often people start taking allopathic medicines as soon as the blood pressure disease is detected. But the best way is to control it with home remedies and food. Vegetables of fenugreek's fresh green leaves, in which, according to taste, ginger and garlic have been added, proves to be very effective. The patient should consume more and more of this vegetable. People suffering from high blood pressure are advised to eat jackfruit as vegetables, fruit, or juice. Asafoetida intake is also considered to be the best for high blood pressure patients. According to studies, it is helpful in thickening the blood. Include this in your daily meals. Onion is an effective remedy for high blood pressure. Consuming raw onion daily is beneficial. According to informations obtained from modern researches, onion contains quercetin chemical, which is an antioxidant flavonol which is considered important for the control of cardiovascular disease. The juice of gooseberry leaves is helpful in reducing blood pressure. Blood pressure patients should take one gooseberry daily. Eat garlic daily. It contains allicin, which increases the production of nitric oxide in the body. This reduces the pressure on the arteries and veins. The elements found in sesame oil reduces oxidative stress. Its anti-inflammatory property reduces blood pressure. Alpha-linolenic acid found in flaxseed, which is a form of omega-3 fatty acids, plays an important role in controlling blood pressure. This lowers cholesterol level and relieves high blood pressure. Drumstick contains high protein, vitamins and minerals. This keeps blood pressure under control and reduces the risk of heart-related disease. Work out for 30 to 40 minutes daily. This makes the heart strong and blood flow in the body easy. According to a report published in the American Heart Association, exercise keeps blood pressure under control and reduces the risk of heart-related disease. Introduce these foods in your daily diet and reduce the risk of high blood pressure. Stay healthy and hearty.